Down here on the driver's side door, this little guy right here has no resistance whatsoever. Got the new one, straight from GM. It's got a lot of resistance. I was taking this apart and I figured, heck, let's bring you guys along. So this right here, just pull this cover off, and there's a 10 millimeter. And then right here's a little like rubber mat. You just pull that aside. And these are two T25 Torx bits. I was debating on if I have to take off this whole door panel or not. I was trying to play around with it, but I just don't see another way. So I'm just gonna take one thing at a time, and I see this is kind of pop loose, so we'll see if this can come up. Okay, just get this up and out of the way. It just looks like 3 wire connectors. Pop that in. That's how you remove those. I need 2 hands. All right, now we got that popped. I'm gonna come down here with these two. Same torque size, T25s. Got those off. All right, so now we're just gonna lift up on this, and I don't need to drop it completely. I'm hoping not. I just gotta be able to come back to the back of that switch, which is right there. So, try to show you at least. Pull down on this lock tab. Come on. Okay. Pull that out. Now, let me figure how to get that out. I'm upside down, so it's really hard to see. Okay, so that was actually really easy to get out. So it's pressed in there from the back. So we're going to slide it through like so. Now there's 2 tabs. See those? All you gotta do is just come back on this side, and there's complete, just push in on each side. I got the new one plugged in to make sure it works. Works great. I got the one wire connected, so like I said, there's the old one. Here's the new one. Okay. Make sure you put the unlock on top. Just slide it back in like so. Plug that in. Now my locking tab fell out, so I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that. So you just gotta put it up on that stem and then just slide down. I'm gonna put these 2 T25 Torx bits back, put that 10 millimeter back. This one kind of works like a hinge. You just slide this side in and push that back until it clicks. All right, so with this, you just line up the door panel with that, slide it in, and then we'll add that to lock it in, and we'll do the same thing for the bottom. Now we put the 3 wiring harnesses back, and this thing's in really rough shape. I see we got a lot of rust down here, and underneath there it looks like it's been like glued back together, so I don't really know the story behind that, but obviously someone's definitely had this off before, and I need 2 hands. We'll push that back in there. So after you add your last 2 T25s, we'll put that rubber pad back. There's 2 pegs in there. It's nothing fancy, and now we're all done. Here we go. Nothing. Perfect. Now let's give the car some power. And before you get too far, you kind of want to make sure everything works, you know. Good, 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 And then mirror works good, and good. Trunk pops. There you have it. That's it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you guys next time.